What's up, guys? Trilogy Effect, talking to you men or women. If you wear ties, you've seen the title of the video and you're in dire need of help. Today we're going to be going over how to tie a tie. This is me right here. We're going to just take it, hold it like this. You see the underlying, and then you'll put it on around your neck. Lift your collar up. You can lift the collar up first if you want. So you'll lay the tie out like that. You'll want to pull this side up, the thinnest, skinnier side. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna have, depending on how tall you are, this is very dependent on your height. It may take a little bit of trial and error to get this right. So what you'll wanna do is you'll take the top part, you'll wrap it underneath this, hold it in place. See how I have this right here? I'm pressing it down right there, and you're gonna wrap this around, just like this. And then you're gonna bring it under, just like this. So it's under, and then you see this right here, this flap, and then the fold right there, you'll bring both of those forward, and then you're gonna bring this in, pull it through, and then pull both lines to tighten them, and then boom. This is just gonna be a basic knot for a tie. So you'll tighten it, adjust it like that, straighten out the crease, make sure there's no wrinkles in there, pull the collar back down, and boom, you've tied your first tie. This is Trilogy here. Quick video, just wanted to show you guys out there who are needing help with dress wear and stuff like that, how to tie a tie, because I know so many people out there don't know how to tie a tie. But yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. Whenever you're done, you can just pull it pretty much however you want. You want to make sure that you pull it out of this little holster right here so that it doesn't tear the tie. So pull it out, and then you literally can just pull it and undo it any type of way. Boom, just like that. I think I'll do it one more time. This video is super short. If you wanted to see it again, like I said, you lift your collar, you lay it upside down, you give it some length on the longer side, this fat side, give it some longer length. I wanna say on my tie, it's probably about 6 inches. I'm 5'10". Like I said, it really just depends on the wear and the fit. So you'll pull it under, you'll pull it over, bring it up through the top loop. You'll wanna pull it through here. It's getting a little sloppy. Pull it through, and then you see that where it came forward. All you can just pull this back, put it underneath, and then you'll just tuck it into the little holster on the bottom, tighten it up, and then boom, you've got your tie. This one's not as neat because I was rushing, doing it really quick, trying to test myself. No reason to rush. But yeah, and then if it looks a little sloppy, you can always redo it for you. But that's gonna be how you need to tie a tie. We'll be all good to go. Trilogy with Trilogy Effect, your #1 source for all kinds of content, anything like this. If this video helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Trilogy out.